Hi, my name is Marylise, and I'm here with AMA Accents. This video is for those of you who are practicing the sound. As a refresher, there are 3 methods that you can use to practice saying and strengthening this sound. For the first method, you're going to take our set of 8 target words and you're going to say it at least 3 times a day. For method 2, you're going to use that same set of 8 target words, but you're going to add at the very end of the word a word that you say with the R in the word initial position very strong. So your word could be red, rope, rot, or any other R word that you say very strong and clear. And for the third method, you're going to use the word Irma, which is a woman's name. Irma is my grandmother. And either tilt your head back or just really focus on moving your tongue back and bunching it up in the back of your mouth without the tongue tip doing anything. So check out the timestamp in the description below for your method, and here we go. Burr, fur, grr, her, purr, sir, were, your. Method 2. Burr, fur, grr, her, purr, sir, were, your. So here we go. Irma, 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 Irma. Thanks for practicing with me. You guys are doing a great job. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already to get notifications about our most recent videos.